is Farooq Khan Zada, and I've been living here in the Wapda Town near to Taru Jaba. And I've just recently built this house, I would say about 5 months. And I've installed the solar panel. The name of the company is NanoArth. But the reason I have installed the solar panel because of the units in the Wapda Town is a bit of expensive. So that was the reason I've installed the solar panel. One of my friend, he installed the same company, NanoArth, and he was really happy from this company, and he recommended me as well. So for that reason, I have contacted the NanoArth team, and they have come down to my house to do the survey and to see everything. And they have installed it really quick as well. Usually it takes about 2 to 3 days, I would say, the max 4 days. And I'm really happy as well from this company. The service of the NanoArth, I'm really happy from it because they are really quick and they're really responsible, and they will respond to you as soon as you call them or as soon as you get in contact with them. But the best thing they do is that you connect your phone to the solar panel as well, and through the Wi-Fi. From that, you can see everything on your phone. If there is any issue or if there is anything going on, you can see everything, and they can sort everything out within a day. Within 24 hours, they can sort everything out if there is any issue. And first of all, I would say you won't find any issue from them. They're really good, and I would recommend it to everybody to get the NanoArth.